Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a question that's sparking debates in schools, tech conferences, and parent groups everywhere. Should kids be taught by AI teachers? AI teachers like Khanmigo, Iris, and others. Let's unpack this. No jargon, no hype, just real talk. Can you imagine a classroom where lessons adapt to your learning speed, where mistakes aren't red marks but stepping stones, where your teacher never gets tired, frustrated, because they are not human? Sounds like sci-fi, right? But AI tutors are already here, from Khanmigo's math bots to language apps like Duolingo. So, is this the future of education? Or are we losing something irreplaceable? AI teachers are like superheroes of personalization. Imagine a kid struggling with fractions while their body breezes through algebra. An AI doesn't just notice that gap, it fixes it, adapting in real time. Plus, for students in remote villages or kids with disabilities, AI can be a lifeline. AI can help children do their homework assignments when their parents aren't around. But before we crown AI the teacher of the future, let's talk about the elephant in the classroom. Can a machine really replace humans? That's a big question we need to ask. Human teachers don't just explain math equations. They're coaches, mentors, and sometimes even therapists. They spot the quiet kid who's been bullied. They nurture creativity when an AI may not have the ability to do such. And let's be real, can an algorithm teach empathy? Or can it navigate the messy classroom? Can an algorithm handle emotional moments like cry, sadness, or happiness of kids? But what if AI doesn't replace human teachers, rather empowers them? Think of it like this. AI handles the grunt work like grading, drilling, multiplication tables, tracking progress, and others. That frees up teachers to do what they do best, that is to inspire. Finland's already testing this human in the loop model, and the results are really promising. So, think of AI teachers plus human teachers. It will create smarter classrooms, right? But, I mean, this is a big beaut. We've got to keep AI in check. Who's making sure these algorithms aren't biased? Or that your kid's data isn't sold to advertisers? This is the cons of algorithms. Transparency and ethics can't be an afterthought. Now, let's hear from the real experts. Students say AI tutors are less scary for asking dumb questions. Imagine being scared of asking questions in class. AI will make it easy to express yourself. Teachers admit AI saves them 10 hours a week on grading. Imagine AI calculating children's exam scores. But do parents support AI teachers? Sure, AI is cool. But they don't want their kids raised by screens or algorithms. So, we ask again, should kids be taught by AI teachers? My take on this is teachers should use AI where it is necessary. Human teachers should be the sole determinant. Let AI handle the generic things like grading, and let humans handle the creative teachings. What do you think? Drop a comment below, and if you like this video, hit subscribe. We've got a lot more future-shaping topics to explore. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay curious.